Sige. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we may call on Miss Malidel Martinez. Nanay muna. Okay, so magpasalamat. Asa na yung katropa? Kasama. Okay, sige, doon sa front. Okay?
Hello po, good afternoon. Speechless po ako. First time nakita ko si Tatay Digong face to face. Sir Mayor, thank you po. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of our Homeowner Association, Vice Village, our heartfelt gratitude to the father of our Vice President, Sara Duterte, Tatay Digong Duterte, for the good leadership. Thank you. Thanks to you, sir. We are still inspired and enjoy and all the work he has done for us. I believe the project and program he will initiate will be valuable to us. Again, thank you. Honestly, I very thank you, sir. Your labor is not in vain. From Mayor, from Yolanda, until the President, when the pandemic comes, you still stood to find a way to find a vaccine. I'm really thank you, sir, for your hard work. Thank you. Still, Duterte, thank you.
Okay, Duterte! Ako ini ang mga mag-iisog Halite! Ang mga napagdaanan ang Yolanda! Typhoon Yolanda! Survivors! Come on! Alright! Sige, so now we may call on the child, Brando Donna Kabatilan!
Dahil po doon, nagkaroon po kami ng pag-asang bumangon muli. Maraming salamat po, Tatay Digong. God bless you.